Filtering a pandas data frame which has two levels of column headers. I am trying to filter a pandas data frame which has two levels of columns header using a list in the fairly standard way of using Ishin and a mask to retune a new filtered data frame. However, I keep running into a value error around overlapping index names which I can't seem to solve. Here are examples of my list I'd like to filter on, as well as the data frame itself. Not sure how to provide the code needed to generate this data frame as it is imported from an CSV file. Running the following line to filter. Returns. However, if I run dfcode.ishinmy_list by itself, this seems to work and returns the symbol column with true/false values, which means something goes wrong when applying the mask to the original data frame. df source code.
Take a look at what dfcode.isInMy_list produces. Compared to a single level index. Fix. Either grab the index out of code, or reference the multi-index directly. Both produce new_df. Complete working example.
When there are multiple index, I usually slice with position.
Here is another way.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.